Okay. So I've been working on different types of filter controls. I guess I'll start with this one. Where's my edit? Ooh. How do I? Oh, I closed it. Okay. All right, so PSA, we now have a multiple filter selection for a string type. So it's just like the single selection, except you can select multiple. And you can also filter your drop down to what is already selected. All right. Sorry, I gotta move this. Okay. This is a time frame control for date filters. So what it does is that you can have little, these are kind of like out of the box options that you get here. You can choose to include some options in your list or move or get rid of them. You can move it around. This little tooltip tells you the exact date that it's filtering on. You can add a custom option, which activates this range picker. I think I still have this hopefully connected to disconnect that. Okay. And you're also able to add like a custom time frame if you want. And this is just our advanced interface, but it kind of gives you like a saved preset that gets added to your list. There it is. Yeah, still a work in progress, but I am getting close. Yeah.
That's so nice.
Not quite out yet, but will be soon. Is that what that means?
Very soon, it's coming. It's like little chunks are shipping.
But like,
I want to
are you progressively releasing the stuff to customers, or does it all come in one blob?
The way I've been doing it is just I've been like releasing the separate components, so nobody sees it yet, but like then you add the little icing on the top, which is the whole experience. So it'll all come out at the time.
But like some,
Okay, cool.
but some of the controls are out there. Like multi-select, I think you shipped.
Multi-select is out, yes.
So like the individual types are shipping incrementally, and then yeah.
Yes, the individual filter types are coming.
Alyssa, do you envision offering like a button layout for that? That feels like it would be a nice
Yes, that is the
form of
fast
it.
follow.
Sweet.
And there's just so many places too where we've got lists like that we include in option menus that we want to be able to give kind of control for. I feel like we should just take that. That is a beautiful, way nicer than what exists. So love it.
Is there any of this stuff we can get our hands on like pre-release or just wait for it to ship?
I think you just wait for it to ship unless you want me to send you my testing instance.
I'll think about it. Thanks.
Okay.